Product operation. Enter work platform and turn on safety handrail switches on both sides. Turn on the e-stop button and key switch to activate the power. Step on the foot pedal switch. Rotate the accelerator knob to move forward or backward. Press the forklift button to raise the forks. Press the fork lowering button to lower the forks. Press the cockpit lift button to raise the cockpit. Press the cockpit lower button to lower the cockpit. Press the forklift button to raise the forks. Press the fork lowering button to lower the forks. Press the cockpit lift button to raise the cockpit. Press the cockpit lower button to lower the cockpit. Press the reverse button to move the order picker backward. Press the forward button to move the order picker forward. Press horn button to activate buzzer. Turn off key switch and emergency stop button to power off. Turn off the safety armrest switches.